Good afternoon. Today I'm going to show you how to get the most out of the business card feature in your Simplebooklet. First things first is to, of course, log on to your account, and then from there you're going to locate the document you want to work on. I'm going to work on this first one here. You can then click the Design tab, which is represented as a painter's palette, and that will open you up into the Design tab here. As you can see, it's highlighted in orange. From there, you're going to go to Engage, and Engage is this bullseye button on the left-hand menu there. Click that. Now, as you can see, we've got a lot of different options here, and there are corresponding videos to each of these. The one we're going to focus on right now is the business card one. And I just want to draw your attention over here. So right now, the layout of the nav bar that I have is Essentials, and the business card is located just in the corner over here. Well, I guess it's sort of 75% of the way down from the top corner. And it's represented as this little business card icon. And if you toggle this on and off, you'll see that that disappears. We're going to toggle that on, and then if you click the pencil beside it, up will pop the fields for you to fill in. If you have used the brand kit before, you can go ahead and click this button and it'll populate the information you have from the brand kit. If you don't know what that brand kit is, don't worry about it. You can fill in this information manually, but I do encourage you to check out the other help articles we have surrounding the brand kit, because that can also be quite helpful. You've got space for your name, contact. You don't have to fill out all of that information. As you can see, I've left address blank here. I've already populated this just for time's sake. But if you have other social media as well, you can fill it in here. I'm going to keep mine simple with just the YouTube and the Facebook for now. And then once you are done filling that out, go ahead and click Done. And then I'm going to go show you what this looks like in preview. Okay, so in preview now, the desktop version, as you can see, I've got the business card on the corner here. And then when I click that, that information comes, and those social media accounts are shown here in these icons. And then if I go to the mobile view, the contact information, the business card is here. And again, that information is there. And the person can download that contact information, which is nice. And as you can see, it's popped up onto my thing as a contact info, so they can easily transfer that. And that's the same, of course, in the desktop and in the tablet version. And then in the tablet visual, similar to the phone visual, the contact information is right there. So it's a great way to have your information accessible to people at any point when they're reading your document. As you flip through the pages, you can see that that stays static, and it's nice to have everything in one place for them. It can help people reach out to you in the future and just know where to find that. That's all I have for you this afternoon. Thanks.